LSU Health Shreveport hosted the inaugural Rasberry Lecture featuring MD Anderson Cancer Center's Dr. Michael Curran. The lecture series was created in 2024 through the generosity of W. Clinton Bubba Rasberry and his family.
I can't tell you how much it means to us, to LSU Health, to Bubba, for you all to be here tonight to kick off what we think is going to be a long history of bringing high-class, high-caliber clinicians, scientists, biomedical experts, and others to Shreveport.
It is held in the new Center for Medical Education's state-of-the-art auditorium, which has been named the Rasberry Auditorium in Bubba's honor.
This is where tomorrow's breakthroughs are born through research. It's where research saves lives, educates, and shapes the future and the community that in fact that this institution supports. The LSU Health Science Center is truly the beating heart of this miracle-making operation.
The evening also recognized longtime supporter and LSU Health Shreveport advocate Senator Greg Tarver with a special dedication.
When we needed funding, regardless of whether it was for a new boiler, a new building, whatever it was, Senator Tarver could be counting on to deliver.
But it's always been a pleasure representing LSU and working with LSU. I want to continue fighting for LSU, and I'm going to be here for a long time. I'm an undertaker, but I'm going to be here for a long time.